While some enterprises are crumbling under the pressure of COVID-19, others are starting to bloom. It's an indication of how COVID-19 has changed consumer trends. On this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at a company growing in the middle of a global pandemic. Andrew Laidley has the story.
Swipes is a local business which produces hand, face and baby wipes. Chief Executive Officer Alana Krishna started the business in 2009, producing only dry wipes intended for the dental profession.
There were things that I was privy to being in different countries, and when I came here we did not have. So in the dental office, we need to make sure everything's disinfected properly, and the solutions that they were using at the time weren't what I was used to. So I thought, okay, how can I make this better that we have something comparable to what's offered on the market in the States or in Canada, for example, but the cost wouldn't be as high to bring it in, because we know importation of anything is so expensive.
With a firm grip on the production of dry wipes, the entrepreneur decided to expand the business by producing similar items with a little variation.
From the dry wipes that I had, I then ended up having another child, and I was thinking, all right, so I obviously need baby wipes, but I had this huge stock of these wipes, and I thought, well, why would I go and buy baby wipes when I can make my own? So I ended up starting off making baby wipes for myself, and then I expanded into like the hand wipes. So I decided to use essential oils and keep everything as natural as possible. So I came up with the lavender and the lemongrass. And then those are for, when you're in the car, you've gone shopping, or you just need to freshen up before you eat something. So you had them available just to wipe up your hands when you need it.
She says her business continues to grow steadily despite the COVID-19 pandemic.
So right now, say, for example, with dentistry and salons, like cosmetic salons, those have kind of decreased because people aren't going in for services as much as they used to. But then on the side of keeping your hands clean and we need to sanitize more, that has become more profitable. The most revenue right now is coming from hotels, because I do custom sizes, custom orders as to what they need for what the product needs to do for them. So hotels have really boosted my revenue. And I think that will increase as more people continue to start traveling again.
But as the entrepreneur eyes overseas markets, she's cognizant of the need for additional capital to expand.
My investment was good and it keeps returning, but now that things are growing and getting even much bigger, especially during this COVID time, the capital I need is getting to be extra zeros on top of what I need. So yeah, it's all right so far. I can still manage, but eventually, things will change, and I'm in the process of probably dealing with some investors. There is a stage plan as to how things are going to be expanding. The product line is also expanding. I'm coming out with another scent because, as you know, the wipes are essential oil scented, that line of it. So we're going to come out with another collaboration of a scent. And then also the hand sanitizing wipes are something we're looking at doing. So hopefully within the next few weeks that should go into the market.
And it's not just about money. She says at the core of her business is promoting good health.
My philosophy is your skin absorbs everything you put on it. So if you're absorbing all these chemicals, then those are going into your body. So you don't want to have a toxic load. So the least amount of chemical ingredients that we apply to the surface of our skin, the healthier we are. So my products try to keep everything to absolute minimum as to what needs to be in it. So we don't have any formaldehyde, no parabens, or those kinds of additives.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.